This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Rick Boswell. 4-bedroom 2.5-bath home in Woodbrier Manor Golf Course Community. Open floor plan including second-story family room or extra bedroom and a loft overlooking the first floor living room complete with gas stone fireplace. Main level offers master bedroom and full bath with soaking tub and separate shower. Wooded setting with bird sanctuary affords privacy and nature setting. Close to school, shopping and amenities. Plenty of storage space. Stainless appliances, ceramic tile, deck, paved driveway and more. For more information, review the details below or contact Rick Boswell at 304-263-2121.